Greetings, everyone. We are glad to welcome you at the final pitch to participate in London Tech Week 2024. It is a unique place where the tech ecosystem unites with investment, innovation, and talent. Every year, London Tech Week becomes a large-scale platform for meeting technology leaders who use innovation to solve global business and social challenges. The participation of Ukrainian delegation in London Tech Week 2024 is organized by the Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine, the Ukrainian Startup Fund, and Techosystem, with the support of seats of Bravery and UK-Ukraine TechBridge, general partner Sigma Software Group. This year, 8 Ukrainian startups will present Ukraine at London Tech Week 2024. So let me introduce the jury members who will evaluate startups today. Natalia Denikeva, Head of Dia City Project Office, Director of IT Industry Development Directorate at the Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine. Diana Rakus, Head of Expert Group on Investment Attraction into IT at the Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine. Daria Yaniva, Investment Director at Sigma Software Labs, and Katerina Krychko, CEO at Techosystem. About the timing, startups will have 1.5 minutes for the pitch and 1.5 minutes for Q&A session. So let's see who will attend London Tech Week this year. I would like to invite the first startup to the stage, Ademrius. The stage is yours. Please welcome.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Volodymyr. I'm a founder and CEO of Ademrius.
Volodymyr, could you please share it fully on the full screen, please?
It's such kind of format.
It's on the left side of your screen.
Yes. Moment. Can you see it now?
Yeah, it's great now.
Okay, awesome. Then I will start from beginning. So, hello again. My name is Volodymyr. I'm a founder and CEO of Ademrius. Ademrius is a healthcare SaaS solution for managing private doctor practice. Still, even now, we have a lot of countries with two main problems in digital healthcare. It's bad quality of the reception work, which lead to a lot of customers, and still a lot of paper medical history, which leads to loss of patient medical data. And here come Ademrius. Ademrius, it's a solution that have everything needed for a private doctor practice, starting from online appointment scheduling and finishing with entering into different templates, treatment history, and plus online consultation for a patient. Also, we have patient profile where a patient is able to book appointment and see full his medical history. Why not? After COVID, we have a sharp market acceleration, huge growth of online appointment, of healthcare app usage, and a lot of patients prefer virtual health consultation. And now, even after COVID, still those numbers are growing. Our target market is private healthcare practices, small one, and solo private doctors. So our solution is specially for them. Regarding the competitors, they usually have few items, but not everything, especially for those niche. And plus, we are a global solution. We are working in different countries, so if you travel to another country, you'll be able to see your medical treatment history. Business model, subscription, free trial, and after that, $19 per month. Our team have expertise in SaaS development and also in the healthcare domain. What we have now, we have completed our MVP. We have launched it in the first 10 countries. We have first minimum traction. Clients confirmed that they are happy and wanted to proceed further. And now we are searching partners and investors to enter new markets with much more scale advertisement company. And
Thank you so much.
Main goal is London, UK. Thank you.
Thank you. The time is up, so let's move to the Q&A session part. Dear jury members, your questions, please. Daria, please go ahead.
Yeah, hello. Thank you so much for your pitch. A quick question. What is the role of blockchain in your solution?
Blockchain provide truthfully information in our system. So we are putting cache data of all medical healthcare records, and that's why doctors can't in the future change some information from a back. And that's why if you, for example, have provided wrong treatment for a patient and you wanted to adjust something in a database to don't get any responsibility, it would be impossible because the cache data is stored. So it's very important for patient to be sure about those responsibility, and plus a huge big impact for insurance companies who wanted to be sure that it wasn't some tricky in database.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much. And another question is, what is the integration process with the existing system within your target audience? Some ERPs or kind of like that.
Can you repeat the beginning? Because I a little bit badly heard.
What is the integration process? Is the solution is integrated with another existing systems for the data processing within your target audience?
You mean government databases in different countries?
I mean, in other databases that are using. So is it the solution that cover all the processes, or is it integrated with another solutions that are also used within the doctor practice?
It's only our solution. We have only one integration. For now, in MVP, we are integrated with Zoom to create online appointment. In the second version, we will do everything internally with our own one. The rest, it's our internal one.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your pitch. That was a Demrio startup, and we are moving to the second one, which is Agroteka. You're welcome.
Yes, thank you. I'm sharing the screen.
Thanks a lot. Please start.
Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Vlad. I'm co-founder of Agroteka, white label payment platform. Agroteka was founded by three like-minded professionals with almost 50 years of cumulative experience in payments. The complexity of technologies is constantly increasing. Nowadays, enterprises rarely develop sophisticated payment software and infrastructure, and this trend will only grow. Agroteka is fintech B2B SaaS white label payment software. With our platform, financial institutions can launch and run payment processing with zero investment of time and money in software and infrastructure. We give them access to fully brandable and absolutely secure payment gateway with all needed features and 350 integrations to third-party providers. We charge our clients with initial setup fee, then we have monthly fee and per transaction fee. Number of third-party integrations, exceptional customer support, and on-premise setup option compose our competitive advantage. We closed Q1 of this year with 500K of revenue and expect up to 3 million of the revenue by the end of the year. As a deep fintech company, we would gladly contribute our expertise and knowledge into collective mind of Ukrainian delegation and proudly represent our country at London Tech Week. Thank you for your attention. I'm open to questions.
Thank you so much. Wonderful timing. Any questions?
I would probably have a question. Volodymyr, thank you for your pitch. Who are your main competitors in the UK market?
There are no specific competitors that are focused only on UK market, but usually this business is really global, and there are few competitors that are very active, let's say, on European and UK geolocation. One of them is Exopay. This company was recently acquired by Tokenex, US-based company. There is a competition, and as I said, there is no specific competitor that is focused only on UK market.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks a lot for your pitch. We are moving to the third startup, which is Avata. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You can start, please.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, perfect. So, hi, my name is Fedor Yuminsky. I'm the founder at Avata, and I'm joined today by Daria, who's our CEO. And we're a company which is building the single source of truth. We have and actually a number of years already of experience working in the B2B, particularly in the enterprise sector. And we have been building solutions that bring together different data from different places, different to one trusted data source. So our solution is GenAI powered. We use GenAI to build automatic inventory, monitoring, digital twins, and other digital entities. We are focused on data management. So we are actually a data broker that distributes data between different solutions and different systems within the enterprise. And we're focused on growth through change management. That's what our bread and butter is. So basically what we do is we take different data which exists in large companies such as customer, CRM data, marketing data, financial data, inventory data, and we put it together into one trusted data source, which really helps to deal with things like growth, change management, sustainability. And we do this through consolidation. We use effectively work in cloud environments, and particularly with a solution called Kafka Data Bus. And we are a data broker that allows to consolidate different data and make it trusted, reliable, and accurate. Again, we are seeing ourselves as a disruptive new player in the market, focused on next generation solutions. And we work already with market leaders such as VMware, AWS, and Capgemini. And our road to success is we are taking this to different industries, to banking, to medical, to telecommunications, real estate, and others, to help companies to be more successful in what they do. So that's who we are, and we are ready for the London Tech Week. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you so much for your pitch, and dear jury members. Your questions, please.
I have a question. So what is the specific pain points that you are addressing? What are the gaps in the market?
Okay, so generally, most of the companies in large enterprise space where we're focusing, they have been built over a number of years, typically through mergers and acquisitions, and usually they have multiple solutions. So let's imagine a bank, okay, that has been built over a number of years through mergers and acquisitions of other banks. And the problem is that they generally have issues because they have legacy systems, they have new systems. Some systems were acquired as part of M&A, and nobody really can tell, for example, how many assets they have, how many customers they have, and we're helping to deal with this. So we're helping to actually validate the data that they have, and we're helping them to grow through actually understanding, their own environments much better.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Fedor. That was Avata Startup, and we are moving to the next one, which is Burp. The stage is yours.
Hi everyone, my name is Arseny. I am designer and co-founder of Burp AI rental agent. We found huge problems on the long-term rental market. Market is overheated, search is stressful, and the stop-first experience is slow and heavy. But our solution, mobile AI rental agent that will quickly find you affordable, perfect flat. What makes us different? We use unique aggregation technology to get all available listings on the market, put them on a 3D map with exact location, and finally, our personalized AI rental agent will quickly find you a perfect match. We already launched in Kiev and in London, and right now London is our most challenging city. Our business model is subscription. We expect that people who are struggling with rental market will be able to pay quite a big price for our AI rental agent. We already have tractions, 2 Red Dot Awards, and #1 product of the day during launch in London. Among our team, Dennis and Andrew are also co-founders of Loon, #1 prop tech company in Ukraine. We want to go to a London Tech Week because we're still finding investors. We want to connect offline with our partners and present a great Ukrainian AI product on a world stage. We already have experience in Web Summit of presenting and pitching digital product. So thank you. If you have any questions, please ask.
Thank you so much. Any questions to Arseny?
Yeah, I have one question. Thank you for your presentation. Like, what are your plans for London market, like in general? Do you have any strategic how to expand your business to how to cooperate with local owners of some apartments or something like that? Why
Uh,
London?
Right now, why London? We want to initial goal was to launch on a very competitive market after Ukraine. So we have this challenge. We created this challenge for us. We see that in London real estate market there are big competition with big real estate portals and agencies, but none of them have quite technological experience with artificial intelligence, and we see our power in this area. Also, they don't have leader in aggregation, and right now we are leader in Ukraine with aggregation all listings on real estate market. So we see this opportunity to disrupt this market with this on this site.
Thanks a lot. It was Burb Startup, and it's my pleasure to invite Bine to the stage.
Yep, sure. Hello, just a second. I'll share my screen.
Sure.
Oh, sorry. Okay, maybe someone else can pitch because I have a bit of troubles sharing the screen.
Okay, let's move to the next project, which is Datrix. Are you ready to pitch? Alina, we can't hear you, unfortunately. Okay, what about Effie AI? Are you here with us? Okay, great.
Yeah, sure. Oh, I start?
Yeah, sure. Please start.
Oh, excellent. Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Andriy. I'm a co-founder of Effie AI, and we make employee performance management easier for small businesses. Imagine an executive of a small company with up to 100 employees who are going to assess the employees' skills and engage their professional development and training. But unlike larger organizations, he doesn't have any HRs or learning and development specialists, and unfortunately, he lacks of time, experience, and skills. And we have developed a tool which is as simple as a Google Forms, but allows collecting feedback, conducting review, and making conclusions about employees' strengths and weaknesses based on best practices. And together with AI, we create a personal development plan for each employee. Unlike the other competitors on the market, we have combined the ability to launch the system as a self-service in minutes and provide ready-to-use templates for reviews and evaluations. And as a result, AI Assistant creates a comprehensive analysis of employees for busy managers. We have proved the demand as we have every month at least 60,000 organic visitors per site, and then we convert them into users and paid customers. At the moment, we have reached 6K MRR just for the first year of the product with our small team of 5, and this is our second HR tech startup that we have found together. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Andrew. Daria, please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much. The quick question, what is your target audience or the ICP of the clients in terms of business domain, first of all? Because you mentioned the number of employees, but what is about the business domains and the specific areas that the company is operating?
Yeah, thank you. Our ICP is a small business between 20 and 100 employees, usually from IT or advertising agencies from United States, UK, and Australia and New Zealand. In terms of industries, it's usually IT, advertising services, and real estate.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions? If not, let's get back to Bine. Thank you, Andrew, for your pitch. Bine, are you ready to pitch?
Yeah, this time, yes.
Okay, great. Yeah.
Apologies. So shall we make a start? Everyone can see my screen?
Sure. But could you please share it fully? Could you open the full screen, please?
Let's try it like that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay this way. Yeah.
Perfect. So hello, I'm Boris Nadiktek, founder at Bind, and what we do, we help enterprise customers to build large language model pipelines and take them to their private infrastructure, be it an edge device or their own private server cluster. We help companies to effectively start in the cloud, building an LLM workflow, and then presenting it internally to the internal stakeholders, and then, if approved, taking it to go as a set of Docker containers which can be deployed in the private ecosystem. So how does it work now? You normally would start building a proof of concept somewhere in the cloud, and then you would show it to your stakeholders, but then the whole process breaks down because as a large company, you're never gonna entrust your data to a small startup. So large enterprises end up redeveloping their proof of concept to be deployed in production. What we provide is a set of ready components, a UI playground, and pre-built architecture patterns, which then can be deployed on-premise. With us, it's very simple: build, present to your stakeholders, and then deploy. It's useful in so many sectors, including IoT, automotive, defense, banking, and we already have leads in all of those sectors. We have received quite a bit of media coverage on our latest fundraise and also quite good reviews from our early customers. And we are also the only Ukrainian startup cleared to supply to the UK defense industries and partners of NVIDIA for our IoT projects. So this was very brief, but open to questions.
Okay, thank you so much. Dear jury members, your questions, please. If there are no questions at this point, let's move on to the next startup, which is Datrix. Datrix, are you ready to pitch?
Yeah, I'm here.
Great. We can see you. We can hear you.
Yeah, can you see the screen well?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you very much for your time today. My name is Lena. I'm leading business conversations here at Datrix. I'm gonna present today our team. And first of all, I wanna say that we're a team of 30. We have been in the market for 4 years now. And we're a product company from Ukraine that is focused on AI long before it has become a hype and long before we've heard about ChatGPT. But actually today I'm going to talk about two main products that we focus on. But the main goal of Datrix as a team is to help companies make complex data analytics, make it accessible and simplified so everyone could use data insights within a company. So this is our main goal. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, as I mentioned, we have been working with banking, with financial institutions, with retail, and here you can see our main customers. As of now, we've been working with clients like Kraft Heinz, TBI Bank, Revolut, have 4 years of expertise, also focus on smaller companies, mid-size, and smaller even startups. And the main idea is to help them simplify the data flow and get rid of complex data solutions like Alteryx, Data Robot, and Data IQ. These would be our main competitors. And the main difference between Datrix and our competitors is that we're a smaller team and a lot simpler tool that helps their teams deploy actually the data, not just learn a lot about the product and it takes time to learn a lot. Here you can see our first product, that is our low-code platform used by data teams mostly. And the main target is to get rid of data scientists, data engineers, and DevOps, and to make use of analysts, which means that you hire less people plus our solution, and you get the same result. But today, I probably want to focus more on our
Really sorry, but the time is up, so I have to stop you. But thank you so much for your pitch. Any questions to Alina? Just go ahead if you have one. If not, that's it.
I will probably have one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
Alina. So as far as I understand, UK is a very important market for you, right? And
Yes.
okay, how would you evaluate like importance of your presence at London Tech Week?
So definitely that would be really significant for us because we could show our newest like product, something very similar to ChatGPT, but very secure for banks and financial institutions. And I believe this could show them that Ukraine is a leader in not only in solutions of all sorts, but we are also a leader in AI, and we can offer something to this UK market and actually offer a lot to their banks through our security, our pricing, and ease of use.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm glad to welcome the next startup, which is First Parsec.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, sure. We can hear you.
Okay.
But there is no presentation yet.
Just a moment.
Sure.
Can you see it now?
Yeah, it works. Please start.
Perfect. So, hello, my name is Alexey Vinokur, and today I'll present you First Parsec. We're building reusable rockets delivered by sea containers. Our idea is to reduce rocket price by using hybrid development approach and Ukrainian rocketry school. Project goal is to create affordable and reusable launch and carriers rockets by manufacturing optimization and shipping by sea containers. Our current market value is about 400 billion and will grow up to 600 till 2030. Most of our clients are private companies and government space programs. The biggest client problems are price, delivery problem, and sometimes you need to wait for launch for years. We propose $2,800 per kilogram to Leo. We can deliver rocket to any spaceport you want, so any orbit will be available. Our rocket can be launched from sea, and you can make a personal reservation up to 1,000 kilograms. First expected revenue planned to Q3 of 2025, and first launch profit will be at Q1 of 2028. Here is our team, and for sure our engineers. And now I want to introduce you Cucumber rocket family, and all our rocket can be easily transported by sea containers, and all first stages will be fully reusable. You can see here an example of how it will look like. And we already start manufacturing of our first rocket parts, and according to our current timeline, we want to make our first engine fire test at the end of this year. Thanks for the time.
Thanks a lot for your pitch, Alexey. Any questions from the jury members?
I will probably have one. Alexey, thank you. This looks very futuristic as of now, right? Could you please say, is it a part of advanced logistics, so to say? To what subdomain would you refer your startup? You're muted.
Yeah, sorry. Mostly it's logistics, so yeah, for sure. But we want to make it more client-oriented, and our killer feature with rocket delivery by sea containers is one of these parts. So we want to, when any of clients make a personal reservation, we can deliver our rocket to any spaceports and then launch it by customer needs. So, yeah.
Okay, looks very interesting. Have you heard of Skyrora, for example? Could those guys be, in any case, like competitors for you?
I don't think so. I mean, I don't heard about it, but I will take a look. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. And we are moving to the next project, which is Get Order Biz. You're welcome. Yeah, it all works. You can start, please.
Okay, you see my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Beautiful. Hello, I'm Sergey Chaika, founder and CEO of GetOrder, a solution for restaurants that automates work with food delivery platforms. I have been working in the restaurant industry for almost 10 years, and once I took this photo. You can see 7 tablets where orders coming from customers, and after that, the restaurant manager manually creates order in the POS. Just imagine, every day thousands of restaurants in the world transfer order manually from tablets to POS system. It takes a lot of working time, which must be paid. And there is also a human factor where orders are lost and the restaurant loses money. Our solution is a cloud-based platform that integrates with food delivery apps from one side and with POS system from another. So GetOrder removes the human factor, automating the process of receiving orders from tablets to point of sales. We launched TMP in the end 2021. At the moment, we have clients in 9 countries and the MR is $30,000. We processed over 2 million orders, saving more 100,000 hours human labor. The food delivery market in UK is $19 billion and will go to $25 billion in the next 5 years. We plan to enter to UK market in the second quarter 2025. There are several competitors operating this market. They are very expensive and take 3 weeks or more to launch integration, but we can launch the integration in 1 day. Our business model is monthly subscription for 1 integration per 1 location. We have our core team with 9 years experience in automation restaurant industry. GetOrder must go to London Tech Week to show the product to investors and potential partners. Thank you for attention.
Thank you so much. Any questions?
Sergey, I have a question. Thank you for your pitch. You said that you can set up your product like in 1 day instead of 3 weeks. How
Yes.
much would that save costs for a air client? Like, have you made this estimate?
For example, for process 1 order, a restaurant needs 3 minutes or more. But GetOrder does it instantly without delays and errors. And now we save more 100,000 human labor, and it's relevant is if 1 person transfer order non-stop 11 years. It's very big. It's very big
Huge
opportunity.
difference. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Impressive.
Thanks a lot for your pitch and presentation. We are moving to the next project, which is Harvey Market. The stage is yours.
Thank you. Just a minute.
Sure, no worries.
So do you see my screen?
Yeah, but could you share it fully? Yeah, it's great now.
Okay, good. So, hi, my name is Zhanna Strelnikova, and I'm a co-founder of agri-tech startup Harvey Market. When full-scale war started in Ukraine in 2022, together with my partner, we were part of USAID Agro team helping micro and small food producers, farmers, and artisans to survive. And we discovered during our work that 1.7 million of micro farmers and artisans produce 75% of food products in Ukraine. But despite their crucial contribution to the food security of Ukraine, they rely solely on food traffic. So they don't have a dedicated platform to make their products online to market. And also they don't have resources to hire experienced management team. And to solve these problems, we introduced Harvey Market, a marketplace powered by artificial intelligence dedicated to micro farmers, offering a holistic management ecosystem. This ecosystem will include already integrated advertising services, built-in ERP and CRM system, also selling algorithms, chatbot for customer service. And also Harvey Market offers exciting shopping experience for buyers when using map like in Airbnb and also delivery like in Uber. And today we invite you to join us in fostering market of artisanal and farm products in Ukraine and then scaling to the next markets. Thank you.
Thank you for your pitch. Daria, the stage is yours.
Thank you. What is your expectations of the London Tech Week and the market opportunities there?
So I know that we are not primarily dedicated for the London Tech Week, but since we are trying to build a really holistic ecosystem for the small farmers, we are searching for partners, first of all, who already have experience in artificial intelligence and also for the investment. Because the big goal of this application is actually to create a super app. Since we have like resource scarcity in the future and we need somehow to substitute people with technology.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much for your presentation. We are moving to the next project, which is Jamlix.
Yeah, hello. Just one moment. I will share my screen.
Sure, no worries.
Yeah, this one. Are you see?
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah, and just one moment. I want to make it like a full screen. Sorry.
It's okay this way.
I forgot how to use Zoom because I always use Google Meet. Sorry.
No worries. It's okay this way. You can start, please.
Okay, so let's start in this format, okay? Yeah. So, okay. Hi, I'm Vika, the co-founder and CMO of Jamlix. We have found a concerning trend that affects a significant proportion of women. Researchers indicate that 90% of women after the age of 45 experience emotional challenges. And this problem are solved by the hobby. At Jamlix, we believe in the power of change and the importance of addressing these issues. We offer a solution in-app using artificial intelligence for hobby search and experiencing change. We use AI-driven technology to assist in finding common hobbies with like-minded people. It helps carry out learning plans by including hobby in daily routines. Here is a portrait of our user. Janice is 45 years old and has worked as an accountant most of her life. Her children have already grown up and she wants to live for herself. She wants to fill her free time with a certain hobby that will allow her to feel her life full again. The size of the market that we can cover is $2.3 billion. Our main indirect competitors are applications for non-academic learning. Our advantages over them are faster mastering of material due to interactivity and focus on the most important things, a quick reward for effort and high motivation to continue learning due to community support. We use a subscription model with in-app purchases. There are 3 co-founders, Anton, Gleb, and I, Vika. We gathered the team that can develop the product both in terms of marketing and implementation. We have a clear plan for the development for our product, including the MVP, and aim the release in the demo app in 3 weeks. Let's keep in touch.
Thanks a lot. That was Jamlix Startup. Daria, please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. My question is that you claim that you're targeting the problem of the mental health issues, but do you really think that your competitors are just the apps that are focusing on enabling the new skills for people? Maybe the problem of the mental issues is solved also by the different ways, like psychologists or kind of like that, but you're not mentioned as a competitors.
Yeah. We think that which side are our education or mental health, and we know that hobby really improve mental health, but it's not our target goal. We want to educate people. We want to know which their hobby are and what they like, and this like additional features that they improve their mental health. So due to this reason, we choose this number of competitors. It's only non-academic learning app. That's it.
Yeah, so my question was just maybe then the problem is the different, not just focused on the mental health issues. So this was just a point. And another question, so am I right that you're focusing on targeting the B2C clients on the LTV?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. We are moving to the next project.
Comment?
Sure. Sorry.
I would be very careful. Yeah, I would be very careful with indicating middle age and age segregation according to UN standards, UK standards, and so on. So just try to learn a little bit more about that, because somebody can be a little bit like offended or something. I would dive a little bit deeper into that, because UK and Ukraine context is a little bit different. It varies.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. The next startup is Metanga. Please welcome.
Hi, I am Slav Budnik, and CEO of Metang, and just a sec, I share my screen. Yeah, do you see my screen?
Yeah, it works now. Please start.
Yes, one more time, thank you for a really great opportunity today. I'm here to spotlight Metang, a XR training platform designed to provide workforce development for large industrial enterprises globally. Traditional technical training is expensive, hard to scale, and relies on costly physical infrastructure. In addition, organization needs more tools to track knowledge and analyze employee performance. Metang addresses these challenges with immersive learning-focused approach, reducing cost and logistical challenges. It's a single immersive learning app that integrates virtual reality solution into existing enterprise training program at scale. Two layers power our innovation. The first is a training library with ready-to-use VR modules to simulate real-world scenarios. The second is an AI recommendation system to measure training programs and impact and outcomes. Implementing Metang allows organization to speed up training by 4 times while cutting the budget in half. Metang operates on a SaaS B2B model, which is all of subscribing to our services monthly or annual. We are in a great position to capture 3.2% of $63 billion VR tech market over the next 5 years. Our progress is the next. We are started with a soft launch 4 months ago. Now we have over 400 plus registered organizations globally with 300 monthly active users. And the main goal at London Tech Week is to expand our reach in the UK workforce education market. That's why Metang team is committed to provide the best technical skills development through XR. And thank you for your time and welcome.
Thank you so much for presenting Metanga. Dear jury members, your questions, please. There are no questions at this point.
Okay.
Thanks a lot for your pitch.
Okay.
And the next project is Navchai.
Hello, just a moment.
Sure.
Yep. Okay. Everything great? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. My name is Vitaly Valkov. I'm CEO of Navchai, and I'm here to represent a modern platform for online education. Global learning market will reach 457 billion by 2026. It's massive market, but online education faces challenges. Creating content, it's difficult for non-professional creators, and we have low engagement from learners. But Navchai solves these problems, and educators can easily create content with AI while students stay engaged with leaderboards, badges, and quests. Our platform offers tools for teachers, online schools, and corporate learners. Navchai AI helps create and analyze students' outcomes in real time and adapt courses accordingly. We are integrating gamified learning to motivate students to achieve better results. We offer subscription plans from $39 per month, and our marketing strategy includes Google Ads, influencer partnerships, and webinars. Now we are seeking £500,000 to expand our gamification mechanics and AI tools. Our team of experts is led by myself with 8 years of business experience in online education. Join us in making online education more engaging and effective for everyone. Yeah, and we in the UK, we want to find new partners, new investors, and now I'm living here and want to represent Ukraine in this country and start working in here.
Thanks a lot, Vitaly. Thank you. Any questions to Vitaly and Navchai project?
Yeah, I have a question. So who is your target B2B client in terms of like the main specific one?
Sorry, the first...
Who is your target client in terms of the B2B? So who is more likely to use your solution?
It's in UK market, it's a corporate learning. It's a corporate.
What is? Do you have any specific domains?
It's businesses who want to learn their workers, and they can use our platform because they hard to create content, and our AI tools can help them to create content for their businesses.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vitaly. The next project is Ugla Startup. So could you please stop sharing your screen?
Yep.
So yeah, thanks a lot.
Hello. 1 second, I will share the screen. Let me know if you can see it. Just a second.
Yeah, we can see it.
1 second, I will open it in full screen. Is it visible now?
Yeah, it all works. Please start.
Sure, thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Mikhailo. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Ugla ERP. Companies always try to maximize efficiency, be it through automation, optimization of operational processes, or communications. Nowadays, there are great tools which may specialize in 1 or 2 processes that companies may want to optimize. But since they're highly specialized, companies often need to invest resources into integrating these many tools together, resources they wanted to save in the first place. And then, after all is done, if these companies want meaningful and powerful analytics, they need to find a way of collecting analytics from all the tools they just integrated. That's the kind of problem we address. We provide a combination of 10 tools in one. No longer do companies need to integrate them one by one. They're already tightly integrated and exchange data in the most efficient way possible, allowing companies to make best decisions based on as much data as possible. Already packaged and ready to use in the system for restaurants, for example, CRM, HRM with recruitment and LMS, document signing with e-signatures in Ukraine, soon in UK and EU, business insight tool, POS system, accounting for international and international companies, and much more. We're already in the international market, having entered Czech and Polish markets, and we've been approached by the UK's Department for Business and Trade at Web Summit Lisbon last November. They've expressed interest in helping us enter and expand into the UK market. And we also entered in negotiations with UK-based manufacturers as we provide a solution for manufacturing and retail as well. In Ukraine, we are already working with one of the biggest construction projects as well as small arms manufacturers. The global ERP market is substantial as is, but it is expected to grow even further in the next 5 years. Our primary goals for the London Tech Week are partnerships, meeting with the government officials, new customers, and existing potential customers. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Any questions to Mikhailo?
Mikhailo, thank you for your presentation. What are the main industries you
Thank you for your question. So we go industry by industry right now. The ready-to-use industries are restaurants, so from smallest cafes to the biggest franchises, construction companies and developer companies as well, retail and manufacturing, and soon to appear on the Ukrainian market is the pharmaceutical.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
you.
Thank you for your pitch, Mikhailo. And now our last but not least project, Headway. Please welcome.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
I'll start sharing the screen. Is everything fine?
Yeah, it's all fine. Please start.
Let's start. Hi, everyone. Let me introduce myself. I'm Alex Vorona, CEO of Headway. I'm happy to join today's meeting on behalf of my team. Headway is a global edtech startup with Ukrainian roots and over 90 million of customers worldwide, focusing on micro-learning. For the 2nd year in a row, we are recognized as one of the most promising startups in the edtech field. Also, our mission is to help people grow by making the best ideas accessible and crafting the best learning products. With our products, time-strapped adults can use their fragmented time to benefit from micro-learning. For example, you can spend only 15 minutes reading a summary and becoming better acquainted with the book as essential, study art, history, etc. In Headway, we are championing micro-learning with essentially becoming an edtech pioneer. We are developing an ecosystem of products. For example, our main product, Headway, is the #1 book summary app in the world. Our second product, Impulse, is the main brain training app, #1 in health and fitness in 2023. Also, 2 years ago, we launched Nibble, another educational app. It's more focused on 10 minutes lessons in arts, philosophy, etc. And finally, now we launched a fourth product, Admire, a coaching platform. So what we do, we fundamentally try to disrupt the educational niche and changes the approach to learning. We make mobile first, by size, crafted and gamified educational content. And we're eager to join the Ukrainian delegation to highlight that Ukraine has outstanding tech companies born and created in Ukraine. And by the way, UK market is the second biggest for us. So we have around 10% of our audience from the UK. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your presentation, dear jury members. Do you have any questions?
Okay.
Yeah, if there are, I think there are no questions
Thank you
at this
very
point.
much.
The pitch was comprehensive, so thanks a lot for it. Dear startups, we are grateful for your pitches. Now we'll have a 10 minutes break for the jury members to evaluate startups and decide which of them will present Ukraine at London Tech Week 2024. See you in 10 minutes. I'm happy everyone is back. I would like to announce the names of the winners that will present Ukraine at London Tech Week 2024. Akurateka, Verb, Datrix, FAI, GetOrderBiz, Headway, Metaenga, and Ugla. Dear jury members, it was a big pleasure to have you as the judges of the startup selection. Dear startups, thank you a lot for your great pitches today. I am thankful for everyone's attention. See you at the next pitches. Best wishes.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Recording